What's going on, guys? This is your boy Paulie bringing you his very first log. Today it's my father's birthday, so I figured let's go shooting. So when we get there, I'll turn it back on and we'll go from there. Until then, peace. Alright, so we're here at the shooting range. It took a little bit, got a little lost, but it's all good. So from this point forward, we're just going to be firing off some rounds. After each gun I fire, I'll tell you which one it is. So here you go. Let's see how we do. Anytime we want?
Yeah, everybody's back here.
The one we were firing was a Walther CCP 9mm, not sponsored. Shot pretty good. Next gun will probably be the Walther PK 380, a 380 round. Be back soon. Alright, so we're back. My pops is going to fire off a couple of his guns. We'll see how he does. On my target, I got 7 in the body out of 8 shots. I'd say it's pretty good, but could be better. I could have had all 8.
I think stopped them.
Yeah, I think it's about 25 feet, so it's effective. So in a couple minutes, my pops will fire off some of his rounds.
Gonna miss everything.
It's gonna miss everything, or so he says. We'll be back. All right, we're back. I'm just gonna let it play out from this point forward. Next one, like I said, the PK 380 Walther. Let's get it done. Now with 38.
Pretty good. I mean,
Taurus 38 revolver. End of that. Having some fun, shooting some guns. Here we go. Nice. Alright, I figured I would take you out, just show you the rest of the range. That was just the pistol range. This right here, as you can see, shotgun, slugs and buckshot. So if you have one of those clay pigeon shooters, probably put that out to shoot the clay pigeons. Beautiful day outside. If you have to use the restroom, there's a porta potty over there. That's the whole pistol range. Over here we got the rifle range. I didn't bring any rifles with me today, just pistols. That's the rifle range. See that target all the way in the back. Oh, too close. That's a good. It's a good 50. That's probably about 100 yards away. All in all, pretty good. Having a good time hanging out with my pops on his birthday, going shooting off some 22s, 38s, 380s, 9mm. So far, so good. Out here in the Poconos. All right, let's get back to it. It's actually heaven on me while I shoot for once. Can't see. I don't think I hit anything on it. Padre, you having a good birthday so far?
Yep. Burning powder. How can I not be having a good birthday? 38 specials.
Well, I still have a whole thing of 38.
38s or 38 specials? You want to shoot this little Browning?
What?
You want to shoot this Browning?
Do I want to shoot what?
You want to shoot the Browning?
Yeah. .22, 1911.
Yep, Browning.
Shoot my pop's little .22, 1911.
Boy, you got him dancing. Or is that the wind?
Alright, so we're back home. Just finished up. We were there for about 2 hours. Had a blast. My father had a great time. That's all that matters for him, especially on his birthday. All in all, I think it was a very good day for my first vlog. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed, subscribe and smash that like button. Next up, vlog number 2. Thanks. Peace.